What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Merry Christmas, by the way. And we have some Christmas Day dividend stocks. Discount dividend stocks. I got 3 of them for you. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these dividend stocks right now. First one I'm going to go over is Nike, sitting at 76.85. Its dividend yield is 2.08%. The PE ratio is 23.73. The average volume is 13.07 million. The market cap is 113.87 billion US dollars. Its year range is 70.75 to 109.96. Day range is 76.36 to 77.11. Previous close is 76.76. So the past 5 years, it's been down 24.34%. The S&P is up 85.69%. I'm going to go over some trends with Nike. So revenue-wise, Nike's done extremely well. This is just annually in millions US dollars from 2020. 37,403, 2021, 44,538, 2022, 46,710, 2023, 51,217, 2024, 51,362. Its brand and revenue have increased. Its brand is international. It has some very solid sports organizations, even colleges, that you see the Nike logo everywhere. Athletics is very important, and athletics generates a lot of revenue. The Nike logo generates a lot of revenue. Just remember that. So think of just famous athletes who are endorsed and sponsored by Nike. That'll answer your question. Let's jump to the dividend history. So I'm going to start in 2017, quarterly dividend, 18 cents, 20 cents, 2019, 22 cents, 2020, 25 cents, 2021, 28 cents, 31 cents, 2022, 34 cents to 37 cents, and then in 2025, 40 cents. So their payout ratio is 43%, still not too bad. The dividend growth in 5 years, 10.47%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. If you bought 1 share, you made 160 with a 2.08% dividend yield. That is at a discount. I'm going to go to 2 more that are at a discount. And Starbucks has been a little stagnant, and this one I would say is at a discount. Sitting at $89, a dividend yield of 2.74%, a PE ratio of 26.98, average volume 8.52 million. The market cap is 10.66 billion US dollars. Its year range is 71.55 to 102.56. Day range is 87.17 to 89.34. Previous close is 87.44. So I'm just going to jump to some revenue trends and dividend history. So revenue-wise, annually in millions US dollars, 2020, 23,518, 2021, 29,060, 2022, 32,250, 2023, 35,975, 2024, 36,176. They got a new CEO. There's a lot of potential. And how many people have you seen just drinking Starbucks coffee or at the drive-thru? That is an in-demand company for a lot of people. People love the brand. I can't even tell you how many nurses that I work with, DoorDash, Starbucks, just about every day. I mean, think about the amount of revenue that they generate. Now let's jump to the dividend history. So we have some solid dividend growth. It's a quarterly dividend, 16 cents, 20 cents, 2017, 25 cents, 2018, 30 cents, 2019, 36 cents, 2020, 41 cents. Then in 2021, 41 cents, 2022, 49 cents, then 53 cents, and then in 2024, 57 cents, then it jumps to 61 cents. The payout ratio is a little bit high at the moment at 69%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. The dividend growth in 5 years, 8.24%. So if you bought 1 share, you made $2.44 with a 2.79% dividend yield. That's not bad. I got a one that's a REIT that is a deal, and I absolutely love them. Actually, I own all 3 stocks in this REIT, so I'm going to jump to this REIT, which is Prologis. This is a deal, and I've been buying Prologis. My goal is to get to 100 plus shares of Prologis, sitting at 103.83, an average volume of 4.24 million. The market cap is 96.35 billion US dollars. G range is 182 to 135.76. That's a dip. Day range is 103.44 to 104.23. Previous close is 104.14. So as a real estate investment trust, this is the biggest industrial REIT in the world. Its funds for operation are pretty solid, but I'm just going to jump to revenue trends. So revenue-wise, it's been pretty strong. This is annually in millions US dollars. 2019, 3,330. 2020, 4,308. 2021, 4,759. 2022, 5,973. And 2023, 8,023. So you're seeing a significant amount of revenue from 2019 to 2023. Industrial REITs, it's a major landlord for very strong companies, very stable companies, and companies that can afford paying the rent and paying it on time. So really love Prologis. I need to buy some shares. Hopefully I'll get to at least maybe 20 by the end of 2025, probably even better, but I still have it in my high ratio on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So let's jump to the dividend history. And its dividend history is very powerful. It's very exponentially growing. So 2015, 36 cents to 40 cents. 2016, 42 cents. 2017, 44 cents, quarterly dividend. 2018, 48 cents. 2019, 53 cents. 2020, 58 cents. 2021, 63 cents. 2022, 79 cents. 2023, 87 cents. And then 2024, 96 cents. And it's going to be probably crossing $1. So yes, you're going to get a high payout ratio. That's a real estate investment trust. Dividend growth in 5 years, 14.19%. The number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. If you bought one share, you made 384 with a 3.69% dividend yield. So things are looking really good with Prologis. The dividend growth is powerful. So the one thing that you got to look at REITs, the revenue is going up. That's a good sign that there will be a dividend hike, usually. Okay, so that's a very big indicator for me. Obviously, one of the biggest indicators, AFFO, FFO. I mean, you don't look at PE ratio with REITs. Just no reason to. Some guy made an article on it with some relevance, but I don't agree with it. I think funds operation, FFOs, those are very important in revenue trends and understanding the REIT and what it can bring to the table. So this is the biggest industrial REIT in the world. Okay, look at Realty Income, the way it's a major landlord. Look at NNN REIT. Look at another one. It would be a good example of let me give you another good example of a really strong REIT. Let's say CubeSmart. That's another one that I own. And you're seeing the revenue trends, you're seeing the expansion. That's important. So if it's expanding, getting bigger, revenue trends, funds for operation is good. That's exciting as a dividend growth investor like myself. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you on the 26th. Merry Christmas, take care, and have a good one. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. As a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money and you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. It is best to seek financial advice from a financial advisor. So go to a financial advisor for financial advice, a tax advisor for tax advice. You can lose money. So you have to do your due diligence. I show you my losses, I show you my gains on my channels. This is strictly entertainment purposes only. I'm 39, I'm single, no kids, no student loans, travel nurse. I have a good amount of revenue. If I take a loss, I'm fine. But in your situation, it might be different. So this is why you should go see a financial advisor for financial advice, a tax advisor for tax advice, and watch my YouTube channel for entertainment purposes only. Take care and have a good one.